Hey, hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video tutorial, we will going to cover if you have a running container inside your Docker host and you want to copy some file and folder directly from your container to your Docker host or vice versa, means from your Docker host to your container. So how you can do that? Suppose they a container running inside your Docker host, which is a web-based container, and you have the new web pages created by your the development team. You want to uh, copy those files to inside the container. So how you can do this without stop the container, without modify the Docker files? Okay. So firstly, let me check there is any container running in my Docker host. Command will be docker container ls. So there is no any container running inside my Docker host. Let me run one container. Command will be the docker run -d and then -p 8080 to 80. 800 will be the host port and 80 is the container port. Then hyphen name will be the Apache, and then image will be the HTTPD. So it will it's checking the image is not available in locally, so it download that HTTP image from that Docker hub to my locally Docker host machine. So let's check if Docker container is running or not. So Docker container ls is the command, so it's running. Okay. So let me find out the public IP for my Docker host machine. So this is the public IP. Let me access this IP with the port number 8080. So it works, means my container properly running. There is no issue. Okay, fine. So let me create one folder or one file inside here. So let me create the index.html file and modify it. Copy from Docker host to container. I put this one and let me save this web file. Okay, I want to this file which is in my local store in my locally. I want to this file directly copy from my Docker host to that this container. Okay, without stop this container, without modifying anything. So how we can do this? So it's very easy. Okay, so firstly pwd command, it will showing where I'm located or where this file is located. This file located inside the home, inside the ec2-user folder. Inside this folder, this index file, index.html file is there. Okay, fine. So command will be the docker and then copy and source and then destination. So docker copy source and destination, this is the command. So in this case, source will be the our Docker host, means inside home, inside this EC2 folder, this is the file index.html, and destination will be the Docker container. Okay. So let me modify this. So source will be that /home /ec2 and index.html file, and destination will be that this container, Apache container. So Apache, then put the colon, and inside the container which location you want to paste this file. So inside this container I want to paste inside the user usr folder. Inside the usr there is a local folder. Inside the local there is Apache 2 folder, and inside the Apache 2 there is a htdocs folder, and inside the htdocs I want to paste over that as a index.html file. So successfully copy. So command will be the docker cp source will be the our docker host locally. This file available in the locally, so source will be the inside home folder, ec2 folder, index.html file, then space, then the destination will be that container. So container, you can put the container id or you can put the container name as well, both will be work. So here I put the container name, which is the Apache, then colon. So after that, the location inside the container where you want to paste this file. So inside this container, I want to paste inside the USR folder, inside that local folder, inside the Apache, inside the htdoc, and inside the index.html file. Okay. So it's showing the successfully copy 2.05 KB file to this location. So let me refresh my page once again. This should be the change. Yeah, copy from Docker file to container. That file has changed. So accordingly, you can change that file without stop your container. You can change the index your web pages as well. Now I'm going to doing vice versa, which means I will create a one file inside that container and want to copy that file from that container to our Docker host. Okay, so how we can do that? So firstly, I am going to log in this container itself. So command will that docker exe, then it, then container id. Container id start with this 4071, and then is the bash. So I'm inside that container, inside the container. So I'm inside the USR local Apache folder, means in this location. So let me pwd fire the pwd command. So I'm inside this folder. So here when I so ls-l, so you found all the configuration file like htdocs. Inside the htdocs you found that index.page. So let me create one file here with the echo command. Echo copy from container to host machine, and we'll create this file as a container.txt file. We put this content inside the container.txt file. Okay, so file is created. Let me show this file once again. This is the file created. Let me read the content of this container.txt file. So it's having that copy from container to localhost. So I want to move this file which is having inside this location user local Apache 2, then this file name is container.txt file to inside our local host. So let me exit from that container. So I'm in the host docker host machine inside that ec2 folder. So ls space -l, I think there's only index.html file. So command will be, if you want to copy a file from the container to your docker host, so command will be docker cp source. So this time source will be the our container. So container name, I assign the container name as Apache, then colon the location will be the USR, then local, inside the USR, inside that local folder. Inside that local folder we have Apache 2 folder, and inside that Apache 2 folder we have the container.txt file, which I want to move inside the suppose MNT or same location. So I put dot here, same location. So put dot here. Let's here successfully copy this file inside the home ec2 folder. Let me ls space -l. So there is a container.txt file as well. Let me check the content in this file. So cat command will help for that. So copy from container to the host machine. So friend, this is the way you can directly copy a file and folder inside your Docker host to container, any container which is running, and from any container to copy a file or folder inside your Docker host without stopping or modifying anything inside a container. So I hope you will learn this video. If you have any suggestion, any comment, please let me know inside the description section of this video. Thank you.